Welcome back, guys, to my channel. This is DC Auto FS. So I believe you guys have been hitting it very hard out there in the forex market. Of course, I'm here once again with a very exciting news, and for the sake of this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can install a trading robot on your laptop or your PC or your computer, whatever gadget or device it is. So as you can see on my screen right here, it is currently running on MetaTrader 4. So, and for the sake of this video, I'll be using my own robot to do the demonstration for you guys, so that you guys will see how to install a trading robot and also how to go about it, maybe some settings, adjusting, and other stuff thereabout. So let's get started, and don't forget, if you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button for me and also turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future contents. So let's get started. All right, so here we are. This is FS Dreamer platform. In case you're lost on this one, kindly go back to my previous video and watch my already made videos on explaining this particular platform. This is a platform that I use in creating trading robots. As you can see, all these are commands, algorithms, and etc. to make uh my trading robot very okay for me. And this here is my new creation, so I'll be using it for this video tutorial. So let's get started. I'm going to download this robot so that you guys will grab every tiny details of the whole journey. So let's get started. So I'm downloading the ES4 file. I have this already, but I'm just doing for the sake of this video, and I'm gonna explain everything all the way also. So now that I've downloaded my file, so let's assume you got this file from a friend, from a vendor. Maybe you purchased a robot from a vendor, something like that. So you got this file from a vendor. Now you're stuck on how do I get this file to be trading in my MetaTrader 4. That is literally what we are going to do right now. So after getting the file from a vendor or from a friend or whoever that sent you the robot file, probably to your from your email, and you download it to your downloads, that's your device, your laptop downloads folder. Now come to your MetaTrader 4 and go to files. As you can see right here where my mouse is, click on it and look out for open data folder. Now click on that also. Now you can see we have another new window popped out. We have a lot of files here, but I'm not going to go in details of each and every file, but pay attention to this MQL4. So if in case it is an MT5 robot, for an instance, the same approach, just go to the file on your MetaTrader 5 and also choose MQL5. But for this tutorial, we are using MQL4. So let's click on it, and here it is. This is expert. So you can see I have some robots already here that so this is experts. Now we are going to double click on experts. After that, you can see this is where you're going to paste your robot so that you can easily find it on your MetaTrader platform. Now that we have gotten this window, now we have to go down to downloads and copy this file. You can see Quantum Prime EA. That is my new robot. So, or you can actually do this vice versa. First of all, copy the robot and then start the whole process. So now that our robot is in our MQL4 and experts folder, we have to go back to our MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 respectively. Then once you get here, search for expert advisors, double click or just click on that plus tiny plus icon. Then you're gonna want to just right click to refresh so that the folder now you can see, and you can bring up your tester by simply clicking Ctrl R if you want to test the robot performance on your laptop tester. But if you want to install it right away, like right now on the live chat, then you simply have to drag it all the way to the window. Now that you have dragged, you can see everything about this EA is here. Everything about this EA is here now, and all we have to do is press on the inputs common. You can go about it, on those tabs. Then this is the input for this EA. Now you can see the characteristics this EA has. It has a lot of characteristics. You can see the lot size 0.01, take profit 5 pips. That is capping. MA 100 and pips distance 6. Loss martingale, all these are very much optimized version of this EA, and it is very, very accurately insane. Now you can see the management. You can see money management right here. This is where you can literally check for daily drawdowns in case you're using a ProFM. This is daily profit. True, then you can input your daily profit like $40. If you reach $30, close for me. And if I have a loss of $150 for the day, then close and rest for that day. So these are value input methods that you can use, and you can see higher time frame. So this robot doesn't just enter on a chart and starts trading. It analyzes two different time frames. One is the higher time frame and the second is the medium time frame. So you can see how how good this robot will be. Now also, that's not the last or the least. We also have high impact news. You can see that if you don't want to trade news, you want the robot to shut down before and resume after the news. Once you check this, once you turn this to true, you can see, then you can impute the time, and the time section the news is going to occur depending on the GMT zone that you are using the robot from, something like that. That will actually go a long way in securing your account. So there are different methods, different varieties of how to secure your account and how to start making money using Quantum Prime EA. So if I put this on the chart now, it will start analyzing for charts. Let's try it out, but hopefully it will not take a trade right now, because that's not just how it works. It has to look, it has to search, it has to check for available criteria if they actually align before it can take a trade. Oh wow, my mistake right here. Our auto trading is not on, so I guess you have to check that on, then reinstall the robot again. So let me check that on first, then I reinstall the robot. Now the robot is good to go. You can see it. All I have to do is click OK. Now you can see this guy here is smiling right now. You can see the hair is smiling, which means it is actually good to go. Then you have to put it on 5 minutes. Remember guys, remember we have the medium time frame on 5 minutes, then the last time frame which is going to take trades from is 1 minute. So it filters the trend from 4 hours, then uses 5 minutes for available criteria to enter the market. That's for the strategy. and the 1 minute is the entry time frame. So you can see everything you need: zero balance, equity zero, floating profit and loss zero, currency pair euro USD, server time. Everything is right there for you to use and for you to take advantage of. And of course, if you check this box, you can see something will appear right at the bottom. So these are the money management system. You can see it here: today's profit or loss. So all this will be functional if the robot has picked a trade. Then you can see all this functional, and if the criteria are met, if the profit is met, it will close for the day, and if the loss is met, it will also close for there. So that is it, guys. I hope this video helps you so much. Don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section and tell me what you think about Quantum Prime AI. And of course, if you're looking forward to convert your trading strategies to working robot, you can also send a DM. And if you want a mentorship on how to create trading robots, profitable trading robots, you are also welcome to send a TM. So I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, as always, stay safe.